In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel meetings in Google Calendar. Whether you're needing to free up some time or simply have a last-minute change of plans, knowing how to effectively manage your calendar is an essential skill. Today, we'll walk through the steps to efficiently cancel a meeting directly from your Google Calendar using a desktop web browser. Let's begin with opening Google Calendar. Head over to your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Google Calendar. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials to proceed. Once logged in, you should see your main calendar interface where you'll find all your scheduled events and appointments laid out. Now, let's locate the specific event or meeting that you need to cancel. You can do this by scrolling through your calendar or by using the search functionality to quickly find the entry you're looking for. Once you've identified the correct meeting on your calendar, click on it. Clicking on the event will open a small pop-up window displaying the details of the meeting, like the title, time, and participants. In this pop-up, you should see various options to modify the event. Look for the trash bin icon, which is the delete option. Clicking this icon will begin the process of canceling the meeting. If the meeting you're canceling involves guests, an additional step is necessary to ensure everyone is informed of the cancellation. Once you click on delete, a dialog box will pop up asking you to send a cancellation email to all the participants. This step is important as it helps maintain clear communication and avoids any potential confusion. Select Send Cancellation Email to notify all invited parties that the meeting has been canceled. It's a courtesy that lets everyone adjust their schedules accordingly. There you have it. You've successfully canceled a meeting in Google Calendar. It's always good practice to double check that the event has been removed from your calendar to ensure it doesn't take up any unnecessary space or cause any confusion later on. To recap, managing your Google Calendar effectively can help you stay organized and maintain clear communication with all involved parties. Remember, canceling a meeting is straightforward. Open your calendar, find the meeting, click on it, and choose to delete. If there are guests involved, don't forget to send the cancellation email to keep everyone in the loop. With these simple steps, you can effortlessly handle changes in your schedule, ensuring a smooth, well-managed calendar. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video.